All right, good morning. Happy cruise day. Yay. Who's ready for the cruise? Me. So we're all packed up. We got ready. We have everything ready to go, and we're just gonna head on over to the ship. One thing. Okay, we're making pit stops. We gotta stop at the store first on our way to Port Canaveral. I have to stop and get a few things. And then we are going to go straight to Waffle House to get breakfast. We're really excited. Can't wait to eat there. And then we're probably, if we have to kill time, there's like shops and stuff around Cocoa Beach. So we figured we could do that. It's gonna take us like a little over an hour, right?
Yeah, about an hour.
About an hour, so not too bad. But for now, we're gonna say bye to the yacht club. It was fun, but we are ready to get on the ship, huh? You ready, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Woohoo! All right, bye room. Bye room. All right, everybody, rating of breakfast.
Oh, rating it?
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
It is the best meal. We love Waffle House. It's so good. What did you think, buddy?
Good.
You got a hat. You're so cool. You got that chocolate chip waffle. So we have time to kill. We're going to head over to Ron John because we said we both wanted to look for like some shirts and stuff. And we just like shopping there. It's such a cool Ron John. So we're gonna head over there.
It's the original.
Is it the original?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. I think it's so fun in there. It's like 2-story and stuff. It's just really cool.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the original Ron John.
Oh, cool. I love it. All right, so we're gonna stop in there and then we're gonna head over and go get our cruise. Yay! That's funny. Playing the Goofy movie. I seen the horn. Here we go. You're so cute. All right, come on. Where are we going, Silas? On the ship? Yeah. Yeah, you ready? There it is, I see it. Look how cool. My goodness. somebody took a nice nap. We ended up getting our luggage, which was good.
What is this?
That's a pen. Those are for the fish extenders. Daddy is just looking.
Watching this person that's super late.
Uh-oh, somebody's late. They parking?
Yeah, they're going to drop off their bags, even though last call is at 3 p.m.
That's really funny.
In a Mercedes shotgun. Oh wait, no, they're just going. They're zooming.
Huh. Maybe they are really late. Interesting. Well, sailing away soon, huh, buddy?
I'm going to a kids club.
Yeah,
It's
we'll go.
open till 4.
We'll go to the kids club. We're gonna go to the sail away party first, I think. Maybe.
There's a sail away party.
Should be able to. You wanna go get some ice cream?
No. I don't like the gift ice cream.
I'm gonna go get ice
We gotta
cream.
go do our must.
Yeah, Silas got his first
Hold
thing.
it. Show it off.
Isn't that
Show the
so
camera.
cool? You got a nice little baggie full of stuff.
I opened.
You got stickers, it looks like. Whoa.
I can put stickers.
Oh, look at all this.
Look, there's a bluey. Oh, that's so cool.
Look at this. You got a bracelet.
Look how cool.
Here, put your.
It says happy sailing. We'll have 7558. So we're gonna go find their door and give them some stuff.
Whoa, look, a keychain, a Mickey keychain.
Oh my goodness, that's awesome.
Bunch of stickers.
That's a bluey.
That's cool. It's like a 3D printed blue.
Yeah.
What is it?
Oh, I think it's like
Sand, like you can.
Oh,
like
yeah. I was thinking Play-Doh. But...
So cool.
That's
All
my plate.
right, so we just did our mustard drill with ketchup. Went to do that. We said it's funny compared to like Royal Caribbean. It was very involved. It was the Royal Caribbean one. You just check it and then you just go. So, so we did that. Now we're gonna head up to deck 11 and we're gonna go get some ice cream and get ready for the sail away party. We're really excited. Yay! I can't wait. I can't wait for the sail away party.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun. So we'll just walk around up there and wait for it. Sound good, everybody?
Yep.
Let's go.
Come on, I see everybody clapping your hands on deck 12, deck 13. I see you up there.
Clap your hands.
Let's go.
We're going to do the basic step.
To the left.
To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Cha-cha, real smooth.
And back. One more time. And back. Side to side. Keep going. Let's turn it. See yourself with an ice cream.
So many smiling faces. Oh, and I know each and every one of you has a wish in your heart. Right there, where you are.
So excited! Let's go check it out. Look. He's just so excited. Where do you want to go? Good thing you're here.
Here, blow the horn.
All right, heading to dinner. We're going to 1923 tonight. We figured out that that is where we're dining, so we're all ready to go. We just kind of got freshened up, got changed, and yeah, we're gonna go. I think we're gonna stop at the fitness center, kind of just look at that, because John and I would like to, you know, try to go there at some point today, or you know, while we're on our trip. So we're gonna do that. Let's go. Chocolates. Look at the tail.
Is that a lobster?
Looks like a stingray. I think it's a stingray, right? Maybe it is a lobster. It's a lobster. That's cool.
I think it's chocolate.
Look how nice. Oh my goodness. And then look over here, buddy. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look. Look. He's tucked in your bed. Look, come here.
Look, look.
He's all ready for bed.
My cat's turned into a bed.
It did. How cool. Yay. We had dinner. It was very, very good. I love dinner. And then we actually were, they didn't film a lot because we were sitting with another family. And at first I was kind of like, oh, you know, it's kind of strange like sitting there. But we really liked them. We really enjoyed them. They were so nice. So we're excited. We're hoping that we sit with them again tomorrow because it was like, it was a lot of fun. So now we just got changed, put our comfy clothes on. We're gonna try to catch the 8:30 show that they have in the theater. And then we're going to just probably walk around, do some stuff. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Anything else you see?
I'm looking.
How we go?
We're looking, so.
We are so.
Just gonna explore. It's so pretty outside here. Look at how gorgeous it is outside. So pretty, although my camera's fogging up. Ugh, look how pretty it is. Love it. It's gorgeous. Sweet.
Okay, okay. show starts.
Right.
I want to sit at the bottom.
All right, so we just went to see the show. It was like, come here, over here. So nice. I love the show, and I thought it was so cute. It was like the first night show. What did they call it? Like Ocean Adventure or something. Goofy was the captain. And I think it was like Ocean Adventures or something. It was really cute. But we're gonna head back to our room, and we're going to go to bed. So tomorrow morning we'll be in Nassau, and then
Nothing will be enough.
I think we're just gonna spend the day on the ship. So we will see you tomorrow.
But tomorrow we're
What do you think? Pretty cool, huh?